We will learn step by step today how to buy hosting, install WordPress on it, and easily get a free domain from Hostinger. I will leave the hosting reservation link for you in the video description. You will get a very good discount from it in addition to an extra discount coupon. You will find all this information in the video description. After clicking on the link in the video description, you will be redirected to this page where you can buy hosting from Hostinger and also get a free domain. The link in the video description along with the coupon provided will give you an additional 10% discount. Another very important feature is that you can get a refund within 30 days of purchasing the hosting. Let's start by clicking on Claim Deal, then choose your plan. Hostinger offers several plans that a premium plan is suitable for beginners, while the business plan offers 5 times better performance than the premium plan. If you are just starting out or creating a simple website or online store, the premium plan is sufficient. However, if you anticipate heavy traffic, then the business plan is more suitable for you. There are 2 great features in the business plan we'll discuss. First, it offers NVMe storage, which is better than traditional SSD. Secondly, it includes a free CDN, which means Hostinger will store your files on multiple servers worldwide, resulting in faster website loading times from anywhere. I recommend the business plan, but if you want to save, you can start with the premium plan. Next, click on Add to Cart. Here you'll choose the duration of your hosting purchase: 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. Notice that the longer the duration, the lower the hosting cost. Additionally, the 4-year plan comes with an extra 3 months for free, and each plan includes a free domain for the first year. I advise against purchasing a 1-month plan because it won't include a free domain and you'll have to buy one separately for around $10. Now select your preferred duration. For example, I'll choose a 1-year plan. The next step is to create an account by entering your email and password, then select your payment method: credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, or any other preferred method. You can optionally fill in additional information here. Now enter the coupon code from the video description and click Apply to activate the additional discount. Afterward, enter your credit card details or choose your preferred payment method, then click Submit Secure Payment. Once you purchase the hosting, you'll be redirected to a page where Hostinger will assist you in setting up your hosting. However, I prefer to manually set up the hosting for more control. We'll navigate to the Hostinger control panel by clicking on the Hostinger logo or icon, then click Leave to access the hosting control panel. From there, we'll start with a few steps. First, we need to confirm our email address that we use to register with Hostinger. Log into your email and open the verification email from Hostinger, then click Verify Email to confirm. The second step is to claim the domain that comes free with the purchase plan. The domain is your website's address like Amazon.com or YouTube.com. Click on Claim Domain here and enter the desired domain name. If you're making a personal website, you can use your name followed by .com. If it's a business website, use your company name followed by .com. In general, I recommend choosing a short, easy-to-remember domain name with a .com extension for professionalism and ease of use. I'll start by typing my domain, then click on Check Availability to see if the domain is available. It shows that the domain is available, so I can proceed to purchase it. Next, I'll click on Claim Domain and provide the required information to confirm ownership of the domain. After entering all the information, I'll click on Continue. On the next page, it offers hosting, but since we've already purchased hosting, I'll click on Skip. This takes us back to the control panel where we'll find our domain under the domains. Clicking on our domain, it prompts us to confirm the email we used. We'll go back to our email, find the verification email, click on it, then click on the provided link and agree to the terms before clicking Submit. After that, our domain becomes active. We'll refresh the page to confirm. Now let's install WordPress on the hosting. Click on Hosting here, then find our plan and click on Setup. It will ask for some information which we can skip until it brings us to this page. Here we'll choose WordPress with AI, then scroll down and select WordPress. Now we need to enter our WordPress login credentials, which we'll need later to log into WordPress, so it's crucial to enter them carefully. Start by entering your email, then a strong password. After that, click on Next. Now it asks us to choose a theme, but I won't do that now. Let's click on Skip. Then it suggests installing some plugins, but we'll also skip that by clicking on Node. Next, click on Next. Here we'll start deleting all these plugins like this, then click on Skip. And again click on Skip. Now we'll choose the domain we just bought for our website. Select it here, then click on Next. Here we can choose the server location for our website. You can leave it on automatic selection if you're in the same country as the server, or choose a server close to your audience. After that, click on Next. However, if you've chosen the business plan, it's not important to select a server here because Hostinger will start distributing your website files to all servers, making it open faster worldwide. Then click on Next. Now WordPress will start installing on our hosting. After that it will take us back to the control panel. To go to WordPress, click here on Admin Panel. Let's click on it and it will directly take us to WordPress. There are multiple ways to log into WordPress. The first way is to go to Hostinger, then click on Websites, then find our website here and click on Admin Panel. This will take us to the WordPress control panel just like we did now. But there's a faster way. Open your browser and type your domain or website link, then wp-admin and press enter. It will immediately take you there or ask you to log in via email and the password you created earlier. Enter them and start logging into the WordPress control panel.